we got a larger shop. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Matt. We recently just got a larger shop. We're going from 1,000 square feet to 2,500 square feet. So this is the front entrance. I think it's probably no surprise that I've got my business and then I do the car YouTube stuff. So we got a bigger shop. Let me show you this place and where the future of the car YouTube videos will be coming from. So we walk in here, this is our business colors, part of our branding, CMYK, because we print shirts. In this room we'll have that big red press that you saw, and there's office spaces and whatnot. So we've been busting our butts trying to get this place all painted. There's a little kitchenette, a bathroom over there, some office spaces here, where I'll do some video editing and all that other jazz. And then we've got a couple more rooms this size, and one's gonna be like a little lunch room, maybe some video games and crap. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this room. But this I'll show you that here in a second. But that all circles around to what is the meat and potatoes of what I'm going to be using this other space for. So there's this huge room here in which our t-shirt printing press will go in, but check this out. Look at all the room for activities. So I have all this space. Some of this over here will be used for the business, but all this space here to pull my car in to work on it, potentially in the future. There's definitely enough space for a lift. And then we've got all this other space over here too. Lots of room just for activities.
Yeah. You like guacamole?
Storage room up there. We've got our bay door that opens up here. In which in the future, you know, we could help some of you guys out. We can start doing some car stuff. So I'm pretty damn excited about that. I've been needing some space for my car. Who knows, I might even just have the little back door logo MC2 over here where we can start doing a lot of car content. So I know this is gonna be a little bit shorter of a video, a little bit less of the fancy editing, because I do have a lot of stuff to move, including the car. But thanks for tuning in. Again, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm Matt, and peace out with you. Peace out.